Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing contamination so patch materials stick. Clean with a degreaser, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol. This prevents adhesion failure. Once done, mask the surrounding panel, leaving about 1/8 of an inch of margin so overspray won't hit other surfaces. Next, inspect the chip. If plastic is cracked or material is missing, you'll need filler. Shallow chips only require primer and paint. Begin light sanding at 400-800 grit to roughen the gloss for bonding. Once the area is sanded, apply a plastic epoxy or bumper-specific filler in thin layers so it cures uniformly. Thick blobs shrink and crack. After curing, sand starting with 320 grit to shape, then wet sand through 800 to 1000 grit to feather edges into the surrounding paint. This prevents a visible step. Make sure to remove dust, then use an adhesion promoter formulated for plastics. Follow with 1 or 2 light primer coats, allowing flash time so the primer lays flat. After primer is smooth, you apply the base coat in multiple light passes to avoid runs, keep about 6 to 8 inches distance, and let each pass flash before the next. Match the factory color code and blend slightly onto adjacent panels if needed. Follow base with 1 or 2 clear coat layers for gloss and protection. Let the clear cure 24 to 48 hours, then wet polish with a fine compound to blend. If you get runs or adhesion problems, sand back to primer, reprime, and repaint. That fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.